There's nothing quite like a personal touch, especially during Thanksgiving. And today, in addition to the new bundle that we just released, the Hello Autumn bundle, we've got a very quick little project today to add a little bit of DIY to your place settings. A 3-piece little place card that's going to go together really quickly, so even if you have 4 or 14 people coming for Thanksgiving, you can totally whip this up really quick. But I'm going to take this opportunity to show you a couple other things that you can totally, whoops, sorry glue, that glue's been crazy lately. We just released 3 new items in our Hello Autumn bundle. This is the Falling Leaves Topiary, which actually a few people have already made. Make 2 of these, put them on your table. They'll look great. It'll be a great conversation starter. And of course, you get to, show everyone your artistry, which is great. In addition to that, if you want to do the place cards, that's great. And if there's a Thanksgiving that you're attending, we have a little pear-shaped favor box that you can bring for the host or hostess. And finally, we have the Autumn Glow candle holder here, which I have on my little piano in my hallway. And as you can see, actually, I didn't think this was going to be my favorite piece in the bundle, but it ended up being my favorite piece because if you take a look at it, you can understand why. So anyway, without further ado, this video is probably not necessary, but I like to do videos for everything that we make, so I'll walk you through everything. There's literally 3 pieces. This piece here, I actually ran through a print and cut with my Silhouette Cameo. I would have done it with my Cricut, but for some reason, with the Cricut, it doesn't like colored cardstock, so I had to use my Cameo. Anyway, these 2 pieces here are going to go on top of each other. This is our nice little maple leaf here. I hit this with a little bit of red ink and just hit the edges with a little purple ink. So we're going to glue this on top of the green. So just be very sparse with your glue on this. You don't want it to warp. It's going to go really quick. Again, if you're making 4 or 14 or 24 of these, I don't know how big your Thanksgiving's going to be, but it's going to go really quick, especially with just 3 pieces. And if you know how to do the print and cut, then you can find a nice font that you love. And this piece here, you can just run it through your printer, cut it out. It's just a rectangle that you're going to fold in half. We've included the rectangle with the score marks here, which you can just cut, and then if you want to write the names in, you can. Otherwise, you can remove the little caption. Actually, it doesn't come with a caption. You can add your caption and then do a print and cut with whichever machine you decide to use. So this is the second piece here. Like I said, manually folded this in half. So that's folded in half. It's got my name on there, obviously. And what we want to do is we're just going to put glue on the square portion of this. Okay. And when you apply this, you want to make sure that you have a nice little even border up at the top and on the sides. Get that nice and centered. And there you go. As I mentioned, a very quick little place card. And if you have a certain color for your table decor, you can obviously coordinate, but greens, yellows, oranges, purples will definitely work just fine. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to visit our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. And if you make this or any of our projects from our Hello Autumn bundle, would love to see a photo. And as always, I look forward to crafting with you next time. Stay on top of all things Dreaming Tree and engage with us today. Get the latest news and enter in our giveaways on Facebook. Get inspired by following us on Pinterest. Be the first to see our new product launches on Instagram. Do you prefer Twitter? Yep, we're there too. Watch our beautiful product trailers and assembly tutorials on YouTube. For more information, visit www.3dsvg.com. Live, craft, love, and dream.